ARX 160, not an M4, but it uses M4 mags. Whether you love or hate the aesthetics of this AEG, you won't be able to deny its performance nor its ergonomics. This is a truly ambidextrous rifle for those of us who know the advantages of being able to manipulate your rifle effectively, strong or weak side. Its features are what makes this rifle one of the most universal platforms in the game. The stock is collapsible and foldable, and both the fire control group and the magazine release are completely ambidextrous. This ARX 160 also features the quick change spring option, which means you'll be able to quickly convert your rifle from outdoor legal to indoor friendly FPS limits. Add to that enough rail estate for all your Ninja accessories, ample battery storage in the stock, a quick release barrel for easy cleaning, and the fact that it uses M4 mags, and you have a mission adaptable rifle that is battle ready.
34 from Crosman. It's a spring-powered airsoft rifle that shoots 6mm airsoft BBs up to 300 feet per second. The airsoft rifle features an adjustable M4 style telescoping stock, a quad rail system for mounting your accessories. The magazine holds up to 18 BBs with a 400 round reservoir. It's also available in a clear and black version.
And G36C. The build quality of these next-gen G36s is noticeable from the moment you lay your eyes on them. The high-quality polymer is as close to the real thing as you're going to find. These are not your grandpa's G36s. These electric blowback AEGs come set up with low-res wiring and a built-in MOSFET to better regulate the electricity and current and protect the trigger contacts, as well as providing the operator with a much improved trigger response. Add to that the fact that these G36s have a pre-upgraded gearbox, 2-round burst mode, and a quick change spring system, and you've officially run out of reasons not to buy this airsoft rifle. Finding an M4 that can stand up to the rigors of actual gameplay but won't bust your budget is not an easy task in the world of airsoft. You want a reliable rifle that is simple to operate and maintain, but will offer you consistent and reliable performance. Elite Force is proud to bring you the next generation of M4 CQBs and CQC. These workhorses have been refined over 6 previous generations, and in their 7th incarnation, the improvements and upgrades put this AEG in a category of its own. The 7th generation improvements include a redesigned crane stock that hugs the buffer tube with minimal wobble. It also offers QD sling points on the right and left side of the stock, as well as push-button battery access, which dramatically shortens the time and effort involved with swapping out batteries. We've also added a vented motor grip, we've beefed up the charging handle, and a brand new tappet plate which has been redesigned using an all-new polymer that offers a perfect combination of strength and flexibility to ensure years of continued use. Both of these AEGs have a flat-top receiver with a monolithic upper rail that is ready for the optic of your choice. The next-gen CQB and CQC from Elite Force have raised the bar for affordable and reliable mid-level airsoft rifle.
Action, the Umarex Steel Strike. The Steel Strike takes its design cues from an M4-based rifle and boasts many of the same features. The Steel Strike features a multi-position adjustable stock. The stock slips off easily for loading 2 CO2 cartridges in the buffer tube. Downrange of the stock are flip-up sights, but with all of the Picatinny rail on the top, sides, and bottom, there is plenty of real estate to mount optics, lights, or lasers. When it's time to load the Umarex Steel Strike, press the magazine release button and the magazine will drop free. 30 BBs will be ready to fire, and you'll need all those BBs for the fast action that the Steel Strike offers. The Lightning trigger has a flat blade for lightning quick actuation, and the burst mode will send 6 BBs out of the barrel in a flash. Finishing off the bold look of the Steel Strike is the oversized flash hider at the muzzle. The quick-handling, easy-operating Umarex Steel Strike is ready for you to flip the happy switch and strike your target. Search for and find the Umarex Steel Strike at your favorite retailer.